Employment contract. Visualized. Employment law organizes the work relationship between the employer and employee in terms of each party rights and obligations. This by agreeing on certain terms and conditions within the contract, like the applicable law, details of the job, the employee duties and rights. Let's have a look. First, applicable law means which court has jurisdiction over the contract. Free zones like the DIFC has its own law and court, while federal law is in charge of the rest. Second, the contract stipulates the employment details like duties and nature of the job, work hierarchy, place and duration of work. The duration of the job determines whether the contract is temporary or permanent. For instance, the temporary contract usually has less benefits comparing to the permanent one. And it can be renewed for up to 4 times, while a verbal agreement is considered a permanent contract. In both cases, the employee has to pass 6 months probation period. If he fails, the employer can terminate him without notice, and will not be entitled to end of service gratuity. After the probation period, employee is entitled to take paid leaves as stipulated in his contract, this in addition to sick leaves, maternity, public holidays and weekends. The contract also contains monetary rights such as the salary, end of service gratuity and any other benefits. And finally, the contract stipulates how the employment is terminated, and the required notice leave. While the employer can include a non-compete clause, preventing the employee who had access to the business secrets from working with a competitor for a certain period of time. This was a quick intro about the employment contract in the UAE. Don't forget, this video does not apply to government workers, DIFC, domestic and agriculture workers.